Philippine cuisine is a diverse and delicious blend of flavors, influenced by the country's rich history and geography. With its unique mix of Spanish, Chinese, and Malay influences, Philippine cuisine offers a range of dishes that are sure to satisfy any palate. One of the most popular dishes in the Philippines is adobo, a savory stew made with meat, usually chicken or pork, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and black pepper. One of the most popular dishes in the Philippines is adobo, a savory stew made with meat, usually chicken or pork, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and black pepper. Adobo is often served with steamed rice and is a staple in Filipino households. Another beloved Filipino dish is sinigang, a sour soup made with tamarind, vegetables, and a choice of meat, usually pork or seafood. Sinigang's sour flavor is balanced by the sweetness of the vegetables, making it a refreshing and satisfying dish. Lechon is another famous dish in the Philippines, consisting of a whole roasted pig that is seasoned with herbs and spices. The crispy skin and succulent meat of the lechon are a popular choice for special occasions like weddings and fiestas. In addition to these classic dishes, Philippine cuisine also includes a variety of street foods, such as barbecue skewers, lumpia, spring rolls, and balut, a fertilized duck egg that is boiled and eaten with salt and vinegar. Philippine cuisine is also known for its sweet treats, such as halo-halo, a shaved ice dessert topped with sweet beans, fruits, and evaporated milk, and bibingka, a sweet rice cake that is often served during the Christmas season. The Philippines is also home to a wide range of tropical fruits, such as mangoes, pineapples, and bananas, which are used in a variety of desserts and drinks. The Philippines is also home to a wide range of tropical fruits, such as mangoes, pineapples, and bananas, which are used in a variety of desserts and drinks. Overall, Philippine cuisine is a vibrant and flavorful blend of cultures and traditions, reflecting the country's diverse history and geography. Whether you're a fan of savory stews or sweet treats, there's sure to be a dish in Philippine cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds. In addition to the popular dishes mentioned above, Philippine cuisine also has a wide variety of regional specialties that are worth exploring. For example, in the Bicol region, the cuisine is known for its use of spicy chili peppers and coconut milk, resulting in dishes like laing, taro leaves cooked in coconut milk and chili peppers, and Bicol Express, pork stewed in coconut milk and spicy chili peppers. Resulting in dishes like laing, taro leaves cooked in coconut milk and chili peppers, and Bicol Express, pork stewed in coconut milk and spicy chili peppers. The Ilocano region, on the other hand, is known for its vegetable dishes, such as pinakbet, a vegetable stew made with bitter melon, eggplant, and okra, and dindang, a soup made with vegetables and fish. The Visayas region is known for its seafood dishes, such as kinaila, a ceviche made with raw fish marinated in vinegar and citrus juices, and grilled squid. Aside from the different regional specialties, Philippine cuisine also has a unique way of serving food, particularly with the concept of ulam and sausawan. Ulam refers to the main dish, while sausawan refers to the dipping sauce that accompanies it. This allows for a personalized dining experience, as diners can adjust the flavor of their ulam by adding the desired amount of sauce.